I know you don't, but I was gonna do it.
Let's the time go by.
Here we are. We got the bottom already drilled out. And real easy to install a blue bearing. Just a matter of getting it positioned correctly and drilling straight down through the floor. Watch out for your baffles and cross pieces. And in the back, you're going to end up having to use lug bolts oftentimes. If you decide that you're not going to remove the baffles, that's something you'll definitely have to do because you want to secure this really well. And we're using 3/8 bolts.
That's what we're talking about.
In the front and 3/8 lug bolts in the back. And the bolts go straight through the. Usually the first two brackets are really easy to put in. And then what we do is we take our return line hose and we connect it with a SPC clamp, stainless clamp on the inlet. And the other end of it gets connected to your tank. Real nice setup. These machines are very easy to install. It's just a matter of getting them positioned and put in place and drill down through the brackets, fasten them, and then it's just a matter of putting in your waste tank, recovery tank. And we'll have some more pictures here later, some more footage. So this is what we got here. We've already drilled down, we've got the holes there.
16. There you go.